Thanks for joining us. This will be a quick SinuSonic unboxing video. As you notice, we've got the holographic tab here. This makes sure that your unit is fresh and no one's opened it before. Open it up. We include a SinuSonic bag. This lets you put your unit in it and keep it clean. You want to make sure no dust or anything gets on it, just for cleanliness reasons. We've got a quick instruction guide, also a QR code you can scan. Go to sinusonic.com, pages, FAQs. This gives you just more information on it and also the flutter video. Got your manual. We've got plenty of videos if you don't want to read the manual that just shows you how to use it. Really, it's just put it to your face, press the button. You don't have to hold it, you just need to give a good press and it'll hum for you. It does the humming. I'm going to open it up. We seal every one so they're nice and clean. You'll notice it has a slight mint smell. Pull the tab out of the bottom. Gives you the welcome tone. Press the button, you hear it humming. And then just put it to your nose and breathe. You can hear the flutter there. That's made by the flutter ball on top. It does rattle a little bit. There's nothing wrong with your device. It's supposed to do that. At the end of the 2 minutes and 45 seconds, excuse me, it'll do its end tone. It's a little success tone to let you know you've done your full session. Thank you for watching this quick unboxing video. Remember, this is a 2 minutes and 45 second session. You want to make sure to do the whole session and do it once a day at least. Remember, it is a sinus therapy and it's like an exercise. You have to do it to make it work. Thank you, and reach out if you have any questions.